Find the sum of the series 11 plus 103 plus 1005, so on up to n terms. Here we are given with a series which is not AP or GP. But if we look carefully, we can write 11 as 10 plus 1. We can write 103 as 100 plus 3. 1005 as 1000 plus 5, and so on. Similarly, the last term, the nth term, can be written as 10 to the power n plus the second part here is an odd number. Therefore, the last term will be 2n, which is even, minus 1, an odd number. Now, if we write all powers of 10 together, so it's 10, 100, which is 10 to the power 2, 1000, which is 10 to the power 3, and so on, up to 10 raised to the power n. This is a GP. And the second part, which is 1, 3, 5, and so on, up to 2n minus 1, it's an AP. So for the first one, we will apply the sum of GP formula. For the second one, we'll apply the sum of AP formula. Applying sum of GP formula, we'll get A, which is 10, r raised to the power n, which is 10 to the power n minus 1 over 10 minus 1, plus for sum of AP n over 2, first term plus the last term. And if we simplify this, we get 10 over 9, 10 is to the power n minus 1, plus n over 2 times 2n, because 1 will cancel out. So n over 2 times 2n is same as n squared. So plus n squared.